Okay, so up to the last one of these special shapes, which is the parabola. Okay, so the parabola, again, it's not a straight line, and the highest, okay, these always have x squared as the highest power, so the highest power is 2. Okay, so now we don't have a straight line, so it always ends up with this cup shape. So if I had done a table of values, x and y, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, -2 squared is 4, -1 squared is 1, 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. So we end up with a symmetry, and when you plot it, it looks like a cup. So this point here, where it turns and goes back in the same direction on the other side, that's called the turning point. And so here it's going to be 0, 0. It has a cup shape, and because the cup is going up, we call that concave up. So it's concave up, and other ones will be concave down. Okay, so copy and come across. If I want to turn it upside down, I just put a minus sign in front, but it's still going to be a cup, but it'll be cup down. Okay, so the turning point is still 0, 0, and we call this concave down. So when you have a positive x squared, it's concave up, and when you have x squared, and when you have a minus x squared, it's concave down. Okay, copy that and come across. So x squared's positive, concave up, x squared negative, concave down. Okay, up, down. Okay, copy when you're ready, come across. Okay, so let's make some changes. If I put a number in front, like y equals 2x squared, y equals 5x squared, okay, something like that, what happens is it will go up sharper. If the number, like for instance, if the number is bigger than 1, it'll go up sharper. But if I had y equals a half x squared, it would go up, so it would go up slower. So that if that was y equals a half x squared, it would go up slower. This one could be y equals 2x squared. It goes up quicker. Okay. So ax squared goes up quicker than x squared when a is bigger than 1, and it goes slower when a is less than 1. Okay. But it's still going to be a cup shape. Can you copy and come across? Okay, so again, this is going to be not too many changes. If I stick a number at the back, all that happens is the cup is being pushed up to, so instead of being at 0, 0, the turning point is 0b. Okay, but it's still the same cup shape. Okay, copy and come across. And I've got a few examples to go. The other change we can do is instead of going up and down, we can go sideways. So if I put it in brackets, the sideways change is the opposite number. So instead of being here at 0, 0, it's being pushed across to A, and then it's still going to be the cup shape. Okay. To get the y-intercept, okay, y-intercept is when x equals 0, and so you just end up with minus a squared, minus a times minus a, and that equals positive a squared, and we'll have an example in a sec. Okay, so copy that down and come across when you're ready. So if I'm going to sketch x plus 3 squared, if I've got plus 3, I go backwards to minus 3, and then I draw my cup, okay, and then 3 squared is 9, so the y-intercept is at 9. So it's concave up because it's a positive x squared, the y-intercept is 9, and the turning point is minus 3, 0. Okay, come across when you're ready. Okay, can you try that one yourself? It's pretty straightforward. Okay, so hopefully you've had it go. So that's got a plus 1, so it does a minus 1. I do my cup, my y and my x, and 1 squared is 1, so that's the curve. And that might be the last one. Let's have a look. Yep, that's the last one. So there'll be a worksheet on Moodle. So again, I'm hoping that we'll be able to have a page of notes for this one, but I'll have to talk to the other teachers. Okay, thanks. Bye.